guys! Welcome to our mini vlog. First, I will let you introduce my group mates. My name is Hazel Ray, and second.
And I am Junlin Dueño.
Hi everyone, I am Rosa Nakito. Hi guys! So in this video, I will give you some safety measure to remember during the hike. So safety number 1, always tell someone when we were going. So dapat alam ng mga kasama natin kung saan tayo pupunta at nahiwalay tayo para alam nila kung saan nila tayo hanapin. So, safety number 2, know your road. Dapat alam mo kung saan tayo pupunta and tandaan natin yung mga dinadaanan, pinapasukan at nilalabasan natin in case of emergency na maligaw tayo. Safety number 3, always check the weather forecast. So, lagi natin i-check yung weather forecast during and before our hike. Kung safe ba na ipagpatuloy or akyatin yung mountain na yun. Then, safety number 4, pick a trail that matches in our ability. So, dapat yung ano na yun, kaya nating abutin. That magmamatch siya sa ability natin and fitness natin na maabot natin or maakyat natin yung mountain na yun. Then, safety number 5, be aware of your surrounding. Dapat alam mo yung mga nangyayari sa paligid mo. And kailangan, don't use any earphones. Dapat marinig mo yung paligid mo. Safety number 6, bring a safety whistle. So, it can help us na, if in case of emergency na may mangyari sa atin, we have a whistle if ever di natin kayang sumigaw. So, we always need a whistle na makakatulong sa atin. So,
Hello! Tips and safety measure to remember during a hike. Tips number 1, get the gear. Reduce the risk of injury by having a good gear and being properly prepared for the hike. Tips number 2, map it up. Like compass, siyempre kailangan natin ilabas yung maps natin and compass para siya yung magiging guide sa atin para makapunta tayo sa bundok ng tama at ligtas. And tips number 3, keep hydrated. Siyempre kapag aakyat tayo ng bundok, siyempre mapapagod tayo. Kailangan natin minom lagi ng tubig para siya yung magdadagdag ng lakas sa atin. Tips number 4, pack the essential light clothes, sunscreen, foods, at syempre water. At kung ano pa ang pwede natin magamit sa pag-hike.